Hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming with a video for the kids where they could learn about different colors. They're going to learn about their different colors. Colors, the children see colors all around them all the time. They see it in their food, they see it in their clothes, they see it everywhere. So I encourage you to use colors, use this lesson as a way to reinforce colors so the children would know that there are colors all around them. When you're going to the grocery store, look for fruits and vegetable. When you're going shopping, look for colors in the clothes. And then when you are driving, you could also find colors. Allô, parents, yo c'est Miss Jerome-Severe qui vient dans l'autre vidéo. Côté nous pral fait couleur. Couleur fait tout partout. Et des petits moun yo kon couleur yo. Les ap mette radio, manger. Et puis, tout environnement yo, lo al nan supermarket lan, ou don wa gade manje ki gen koule la den yo, ou soit kwe fruit, kwe vegetable, ou don wa même lo ap achton rad, ou fait koule, ou pale de koule a timoun yo, ou soit lo ap conduit, ou don wa fait timoun yo chercher koule. Pou yo konen, pou yo ka kon koule yo. Alright, boys and girls, we're going to learn our colors. So let's go learn about colors. This is the color red. This is the color red. Red like apple, a tomato, and a ladybug. Red like apple, tomato, and a ladybug. Orange. Orange. This is the color orange. Like an orange, a pumpkin, or a basketball. Orange like an orange, a pumpkin, and a basketball. Yellow like cheese, lemon, banana. Yellow like cheese, lemon, banana. This is the color green. This is the color green. Green like green broccoli, green leaf, and green pear. Green broccoli, green leaf, and green pear. This is the color blue. Blue as in blueberries, blue sapphire. Yeah, that's a sapphire. And bluebird. Blueberries, sapphire, and bluebird. This is the color purple. This is the color purple. Purple like in plum, as in purple cabbage or purple eggplant. Purple like in plum and purple cabbage and eggplant. Pink. This is the color pink. Pink as in pink rose, pink pig, pink flamingo. Pink rose, pink pig, pink flamingo. This is the color brown. This is the color brown. Brown as in chocolate, brown as in squirrel, and brown as in acorn. Brown as in chocolate, brown as in squirrel, and brown as in acorn. This is the color white. This is the color white. White as in swan. The bird is a swan. Milk and dove. Swan, milk, and dove. This is the color black. This is the color black. Black as in raven, a black panther, and a black coal, a black raven, that's the bird, black panther, that's the cat, and a black coal, that's the rock. Great job, boys and girls, to learn your colors. Look for your colors when you're getting dressed in the morning to go to school. Look for your colors when you're looking for clothes to go to church. Look for colors when you're going to the store, to McDonald's with your mom and dad. Look for colors everywhere. Alright, param yo, se tout sa mte gen pou nou. Fè ti moun yo chache koule nan radjap mette pou yal l'eglize, ou swa pou yal l'ekol, ou swa chache bagay tout partout ki gen koule. Eme se tout sa me Jerome te gen pou nou. Pa bliye subscribe sou channel la. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Merci. Passe une bonne journée.